If you want sleek Italian design, powerful induction cooking, and a statement piece in your kitchen, you've probably looked at Bertazzoni. In this video, I'll break down what makes Bertazzoni induction ranges unique, their features, sizes, and whether they're worth it for your kitchen. And for those who may be unfamiliar with Bertazzoni, they are a 5th generation family-run company from northern Italy, and they've been crafting cooking appliances for over 140 years. They're known for blending Italian craftsmanship with high-performance engineering. There are 3 different styles for the Bertazzoni induction ranges: the Professional Series, the Master Series, and lastly, the Heritage Series. You will have a good range of sizes too that include a 24-inch wide, perfect for ADUs, 30, 36, and even a 48-inch full induction. The design style for the Pro Series resembles that of a sleek yet industrial look, and yet is still built for performance. It features large, curled knobs, wide stainless steel handles, and a clean linear control panel. These match contemporary kitchens great that gives a touch of European styling. And if you're looking for color, Bertazzoni does offer color options, one being their award-winning Carbonia finish. Their 48-inch Pro induction range here won the Style Statement Award in 2024 at KBIS for its outstanding aesthetic value, highlighting the new colors and finishes and other key features. Bertazzoni's Master Series features round, soft touch metal knobs. These are great, especially for those who are familiar with those transitioning from a gas range, and for those who love a splash of color. The Master Series has induction knob decor sets in both gold and a black nickel finish. The Master Series also features a slightly curved handle design, and the handles have chrome standoffs on each edge, as you can see here, for a nice aesthetic touch. The last series is the Heritage, and if you're looking for the most truly European styled kitchen, you'll find it here. There is a decorative analog temperature gauge on the oven, rounded chrome knobs with vintage detailing, and edge-to-edge tempered glass on the oven doors. It's also worth mentioning that there is a fingerprint resistance finish on all knobs, handles, and stainless steel oven doors. If you want a focal piece with old world luxury charm, the Heritage Series is something you should definitely be looking at. Now that we've seen the design and beauty of the ranges, let's take a look at some of the standout features that make Bertazzoni truly unique. If we start from the top and work our way down, you'll clearly see the cooking zones featured on the top. Here is a 36-inch induction range. We can see 5 cooking zones with a bridging option available on the right for larger cookware, such as a griddle. Speaking of a griddle, Bertazzoni offers a brand new induction cast iron griddle. It's designed to sit across the bridge zone for even heat across the entire surface. It either comes standard or as a purchasable accessory depending on the model. And did you know that Bertazzoni has an industry-leading oven cavity, the largest in counter depth ranges? It also offers up to 7 cooking levels and even heat distribution thanks to its dual convection system. You won't find any cold spots within the oven, ensuring you're getting an even cook all the way around. It's especially perfect for all you bakers out there. There's a new and fun feature in the ovens with their air fry mode. This healthier cooking technique creates a perfectly crisp food without the need to deep fry. The range comes equipped with a steel mesh basket that boosts airflow all around the ingredients for a beautifully crisp finish. For all your proteins, there's a temperature probe. It's easy to read with the improved contrast to ensure that you stay in complete control of what you're cooking. And regardless of the induction range that you choose, all Bertazzoni induction ranges carry the luxury touches you'd expect, such as a soft closed doors to prevent damage or slamming, easy slide shelving in the oven, and digital displays to keep you right on track. So, if you're drawn to bold design, Italian heritage, and serious cooking power, Bertazzoni could be the right choice for your kitchen. Hit the like and subscribe button for more kitchen appliance videos. We'll be sure to break it all down so you can build the kitchen of your dreams.